class. So just check it. It is GA food we eat. It is all about food. Okay, and you can have your own creativity also. You just have to say 2-3 lines about that. Got it? Okay, so if you have your string and beads ready, then you can do counting 1 to 20. Today we will count 1 to 30. One, count. Because it is very easy to count. You know?
Ma'am, page number.
Very good. Bacha, these all children are counting that string and beads. With that, you have to do counting till 1 to 30. Okay,
मैम
because 1
क्या
to 20
करने का
is
है?
very easy. You all are doing in 30
मैम
seconds. Yes, Khadija.
क्या करना है?
बच्चा आपको जोड़ो ज्ञान से वो स्ट्रिंग एंड बीड्स लेना है और उसके बाद 1 to 30 तक आपको काउंटिंग करना है. ओके.
बोलूं?
And those who want to count, they can raise the hand.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
जो आपने अभी अनाउंसमेंट किया ना, वो आप पीडीएफ में भेजोगे?
मैंने भेज दिया है ऑलरेडी. इट इज इन द क्लासरूम. ओके, लेटर ऑन यू कैन चेक इट.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, good morning, Sonal ma'am.
गुड मॉर्निंग सार्थक.
Ma'am,
Okay, start counting. See, after finish it that count, you just count 1 to 20 with your fingertips. Okay, 1 to 20 with your fingertips. After finishing sting and beads,
ma'am
okay,
ये
your
वाला
fingertips count 1 to 20. Yes, yes, Arvi. Yes, Arvi.
कितने काउंट करना है? Ma'am, done.
1 to 20 done?
Yes.
Good.
Ma'am, both done.
Okay, good. Shivam, it is not for eating, bacha. It is not having any taste and it is very hard to chew. Right? So please don't eat it. Okay. Okay, so let's do textbook work. Finished, everyone? Or you need time to count? Finished, right? Okay, so just sit with your math magic book, pencil and eraser. Are you all ready with it? Then tell me. Every day in maths class, we are going to count with string and beads. Okay? Then with fingertips. And then we will start our everyday's work. Okay? Okay, ready? So remove page number 6969. 6969 on that page. Hmm? Okay. So on page, yes, this is numbers from 10 to 20. Okay. And count the sticks and
Ma'am,
make a group
which
of
page number?
6969. Okay. So children, just count it. Okay. You have to count sticks, cherries, then matchsticks and bananas. Okay, how many of them are given in the box, and then all of them they have put it in the bundle of 10, group of 10. Okay, just count it, and after finishing count, just type done in the chat box. Just make sure that each and every box is having 10 number of things. .
Ma'am, all are 10. All
Okay.
are 10.
Okay.
हम क्या करने का?
Arvi, why you are not paying attention? Just first tell me that thing. Why you are not paying attention? Every time I finish the instruction and you are asking me, मैम क्या करना है, मैम क्या करना है. Done counting?
Ma'am, only 10.
There are 10 sticks and they have done a bundle of 10. Okay. There is 10 cherries and they have make a group of 10 cherries. Okay. There is 10 matchsticks and they have a bundle of 10 matchsticks. There is 10 bananas and they have bundle of 10 bananas. Okay. Now remove next page, page number 7070.
Ma'am, what we have to do in 69,
Uh,
69 page number?
that was just for the explanation. Okay, you have to count the sticks. Just make sure that the sticks is 10 and then just see that the in the next box they have given a group of 10.
Okay.
Okay.
Ka?
Okay. So on page number 7070, next page, we have make a group of 10 that you already know.
Sir,
Right?
bundle of 10 में क्या करना है?
सार्थक, where were you बच्चा?
10 and
अपने
20. वो करना है?
हाँ. Now tell me that क्या करना है. I will not tell you even क्या करना है. Always, only Arvi and Sarthak. Always they have these things. Ma'am, क्या करना है? After all children have finished it off, na, then they will ask, ma'am, क्या करना है?
Ma'am.
I will not tell you. Pay attention. Yes, Khadija.
मैम फिर क्या
हाँ.
करना है तो?
Okay, remove page number 7070 on this textbook, Math Magic textbook.
Excuse me, ma'am. I know what we have to do in 70.
Yes, you have to make a group of 10. Arvi, you are getting enough break for eating. I'm telling you this second time that you are not supposed to eat in the classroom. This is live class going on. Okay, so make a group of 10. Okay, one is already done for you. You have to count 10 candies, 10 jars, 10 leaves, and 10
Group
chocolates.
बनाना
And
है?
then have a yes group बनाना है. 10 count करके make a group. Okay, with your pencil. Just a second.
Ma'am, done.
Okay.
Ma'am, done.
Yes, you all can type in the chat box. Dhey Patel, Vivan, are you doing?
Ma'am, done.
Okay, fine. Let everyone finish. Yes, here is already done. Done?
Done. Ma'am, my 2 pages is done.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Then on page number 7171, what you have to do, you have to fill in the blanks. Okay, there is 9 matchsticks given plus 1 matchsticks given, and plus is a sign of addition. You have to add. Okay, so 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. And you have just now learned that how you can make a group of 10. Okay, you have made a bundle of 10. Okay, so they have already given a 10, 10, 10, bundle of 10, 10, 10, bundle of 10, 10, 10, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4 they have given. Okay, so bundle of 10 is tens, plus one digit, one number, one digit is ones. So you have to add the number given.
Done, ma'am.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
We have to write only 2 because there is 3 answer given already.
Yes. 3 answers already given. So fill in the blanks of 2 only. Bundle of 10 is given. So 10 is already there. And plus number 3 is given. So 10 plus 3 is equal to 11, 12, 13 and 14. Sorry, 13.
Done, ma'am.
Okay.
Done.
Okay. Fine, fine. Same on page number 72, 72.
Ma'am, all done.
Okay. I hope children you all are doing with me. Who else is doing 71, 69? Dhey Patel, Khadija, Vivan, done?
Yes, ma'am. My 70 done.
Okay.
2727 done. All.
Okay. 7 to 72 done? Very good. Very fast. Very smart kids I have. Right. Okay, there is a group of 10 and you have to add plus 5. So it will be 15. Like that you have to do for 6 and same for, there is a group of 10 is given plus, okay, it is nothing on 7.
Ma'am, we
They
have
have not given 7 sticks.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Hmm?
We have to do 7 3 also.
I will tell you, wait. Just a second, I'll tell you. Yes, we have to do, but I'll just have to explain you that how you are going to place a value. Okay, what is value?
Ma'am, I know what we have to do.
Yes, the already it is given.
टीचर
Okay,
7 पेज में क्या
it is
करना
in,
है?
wait, I'm telling you. It is
जी,
tens
ma'am.
and ones.
Excuse
अब
me,
मैं
ma'am.
बोलूं, अब मैं समझाऊं तो आप लोग कर पाओगे. If you want that I tell you something, that I will tell. Otherwise, if you know what to do, you can do it yourself. Yes, Veronica, what happened?
My 7070 and 73 is done.
73 is also done. I have not even explained what to do in that. Okay, so on page number 7373, what you have to do, children, you have to make a group of 10. Okay, pencil से group of 10 बनाना है. Then you have to write how many tens are there. Okay, 110, 210, 310. You have to make a group of 10, and if it is one group of 10, you are going to write number 1. Okay, and then rest of the things you have to count. Rest of the things will be in single digits, so it is there in ones. So you are going to place a value in ones. Okay, suppose there is 10 group of ice cream cones. So how many tens? Only one ten. So I will write 1 in 10 box. Okay, and then how many ice cream is remaining? 3 ice creams. So 3 is a single digit number and this is ones. So I will write 3 in ones box. Got it? That's the way you have to complete the page. Okay. Same for the lamp, same for the onions, and same for the bangles. What is this? It is bangles or what? Caps, bottle caps.
Done.
And then you have to write a correct value in the yellow box given.
Done.
Here where they have written 13, no? There you have to write the correct value. Okay,
टीचर
so make a group of
आइसक्रीम वाला ऑल्सो डन फिर 10 और वंस लिखा है उसमें क्या लिखो
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. ओके, जो लैंप वाला है उसमें मेक अ ग्रुप ऑफ 10 and after making group of 10 how many will be remaining? 1, 2, 3,
इसमें क्या
4 and
तीनों
5. Startup, don't speak in between. I'm telling you everything. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So how many tens are there? Only one. So I will write 1 in the 10 box. Okay. And after making group of 10, how many lamps are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I will write number 5 in ones box. So 1 and 5 will make one group of 10 plus 5 will make 15. Okay. So I will write number 15 in the yellow box. Are you getting me, children? Yes or no? Okay. Same for the onions. What you have to do? Make a group of 10. Just because right now we are doing numbers 11 to 20 or number 1 to 20 or 10 to 20, you will be getting only single ones. Okay, only one time ones. Sorry, 110. Okay, you will only be getting 110. You will not have two tens right now. Okay, when it will be two tens? When two group of 10 will be there. Okay, getting me, children? So let's do for the onions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. I have made one group of 10. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so 110 and 8 ones. So total will be,
man you have to do 74 page number also
Branch, wait baby. You have finished it very fastly. Rest of the children still doing, no? So you have to wait for that. Them. Done, children?
टीचर मेरा सब हो
पेज नंबर
गया।
73 डन।
अभी मैं 74 में पहुंच गया।
सार्थक, मैंने आपको बोला है कि 74 करो। Children, if you are not waiting for anybody else, no, others will also not wait for you. Then if you will tell me na that ma'am please wait, I will not wait
मैम
because you are not waiting for
मैम ये
others.
होमवर्क भेज देंगे आप?
Bacha, I am doing in textbook. This is not a homework. This is
मैम
textbook work. Have you understood what I am telling? आपको पता है क्या करना है इसमें? समझ में आया आपको?
नो मैम।
अच्छा, आप कौन से पेज पे हो?
मैं ना 72 पे हूँ।
हाँ, तो देखो 72 पे है ना, ऑलरेडी आंसर दिया है। सिर्फ बॉक्स 2 और बॉक्स 4 का आंसर आपको लिखना है। ठीक है, उसमें देखो ग्रुप ऑफ 10 है पहले।
मैम
10
मेरा वो हो गया है।
देन क्या आपको नहीं है पता चला, मुझे बताओ
ये
क्या
नंबर
पता।
है ना, नंबर 73 मुझे नहीं आ रहा है।
अच्छा देखो, अब 73 में पहला एग्जाम्पल दिया है आइसक्रीम कोन वाला, आप वो देखो। ओके ध्येय पटेल, वेरी गुड। देखो आइसक्रीम वाला जो एग्जाम्पल है ना, वो आप ध्यान से देखो, है ना। आपको एक बॉक्स में बहुत सारी आइसक्रीम दी है। अब आपको क्या करना है, 10 आइसक्रीम का एक ग्रुप बना देना है। एक बार आपको 10 आइसक्रीम काउंट करो और वो सारी की सारी 10 आइसक्रीम पे जैसे ग्रुप बनाया है ना, वैसे ही ग्रुप ऑफ 10 आपको सारे बॉक्स में बनाना है। ठीक है, लैम्प, अनियन, बॉटल कैप, वो सारे बॉक्सेस में आपको ग्रुप ऑफ 10 बनाना है पेंसिल से सर्कल करके। बट है ना,
73
उसके
डन।
बाद क्या करना है, देखो वैल्यू रखनी है आपको। सही वैल्यू रखनी है आपको। कितने 10 मिले? एक ही 10 मिला। ठीक है, ग्रुप ऑफ 10 एक ही मिला है। तो जहां पे 10 लिखा है ना पिंक कलर के बॉक्स में, वहां पे आपको 1 लिखना है। और उसके बाद ऊपर देखो कितनी आइसक्रीम बची, 3 आइसक्रीम बची। ठीक है, तो जो वंस लिखा है ना पिंक कलर के बॉक्स में, वहां पे आपको नंबर 3 लिखना है। ठीक है, वैसे ही आपको लैंप में 10 लैंप्स काउंट करके एक ग्रुप बनाना है पेंसिल से। उसके बाद कितने लैंप्स बचते हैं वो काउंट करके आपको वंस वाले बॉक्स में लिखना है। समझ में आया?
3 4 5 यस मैम, समझ में आया।
हाँ, और उसके बाद आपको एडिशन करके पिंक वाले बॉक्स, येलो वाले बॉक्स में सही आंसर लिखना है। गॉट इट? ओके चिल्ड्रन, यू कैन डू पेज नंबर 7474। ध्येय बच्चा, डोंट राइट एनीथिंग इन द चेक बॉक्स। Same with the make a group of 10 for snakes, scissors, kettles, and eggs. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. There is one group of 10 I have found in snakes, so I will be putting 1 in 10 box, and only one snake is remaining. So once in one's box, I will also put ones. So 10 plus 1 will be 11. So I will be writing 11 in the yellow box given. Okay. जहां पे भी आपको पिंक बॉक्स में 10 लिख रहे हो और वो 10 की वैल्यू आप रख रहे हो, प्लेस कर रहे हो उस बॉक्स में, तब आपको उस डिजिट को 10 ही समझना है। ठीक है, बिकॉज यू हैव पुट group of 10, you have made group of 10 and then you are writing in the 10 box. Okay, So whether it is a single digit, but you have make a group of 10 and then you have write 110, so it will be 10 only. So that's the way you only have to count. Okay, otherwise 1 plus 1 2 हो जाएगा. Yes, Vivan, are you doing it? खदीजा आपका
Yes,
खत्म हो जाए तो you can do 7474 continue. Okay.
yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
टीचर जैसे जैसे 10 है तो जैसे 10 का एक ग्रुप है तो नीचे 10 ही लिखने का,
हाँ
तो उसके
वैसे,
बाजू में जितना 5 एक्स्ट्रा है तो 5 वंस, ये मीन्स
हाँ
5.
5 ones, हाँ 5 ones
तो
ऐसा.
ऐसे इसमें जैसे 20 है टीचर, तो 2 टाइम 10 आएंगे ना, तो 2 और
हाँ 2 times, अगर 20 होगा तो 2 times 10 आएगा.
तो 2 टाइम्स इधर भी 10 लिखे, इधर भी 10 लिखे टीचर.
नहीं, फिर वंस में कुछ नहीं आएगा, बिकॉज वंस में कुछ नहीं है ना, ओनली ग्रुप ऑफ 10 is 2.
तो
सो
क्या
वंस में
20
जीरो
डायरेक्ट
आए.
लिख लेने का, डायरेक्ट 20 लिख लेने का.
हाँ 2 and 0, so it will become 20.
ओके, जिसे 10 का एक ग्रुप बनाना है उसको सिर्फ 10
हाँ,
1 एक
10
भी
का
बोल
एक
सकते हैं.
ग्रुप मीन्स 110, 10 का 2 ग्रुप मीन्स 210, 10 का 3 ग्रुप मीन्स 310.
वो जो वंस आता है जो ऊपर का जो होता है, जैसे 33 होता है तो 3
वंस में
बार
सारे
10.
सिंगल डिजिट आएंगे. जो वंस है ना उसमें सारे सिंगल डिजिट ही आएंगे. ओके, डन चिल्ड्रन. If you don't understand, please ask me. Okay, otherwise you will not get it, that what we are doing. We are just doing that 4 plus 5, and ma'am all of a sudden what you are doing. Okay, and tens and ones you already have done in UKG, so I hope that you all know that what we are doing. But then too, if you are
It's a
not
C,
getting
ma'am.
it, just tell me.
C, ma'am.
Okay, just wait. I'll just pin you.
Ma'am.
Camera is blur, bacha. I can't see.
Ma'am, 74 page is done.
Okay, if
Ma'am.
it is done, then it's okay. Just a second, huh?
Ma'am.
Yes, yes, it's proper. Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes, yes, Burhanuddin, what happened?
Done.
Hmm?
74 pages done.
Okay, so come on
Ma'am.
page number, yes, Vivan.
मैम मेरे लिए थोड़ी देर रुको ना, मैं 74 पे हूँ.
Okay, okay. I will wait for 1 minute, okay? You do it. Wait for 1 minute.
What do you say?
Meanwhile, I'll just tell you a gentle reminder about dictation, that tomorrow you all will have your dictation test. Okay, so kindly prepare for that. We'll do dictation tomorrow, as tomorrow is Tuesday, dictation day. Okay, so just memorize all the spellings given. And are you all enjoying Friday worksheets? Yes?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Or you find it a lot of work is given? No, right? It is just a bit revision of every week what we are doing. It's a Friday worksheets are revision of those whatever topics we have done in throughout whole week. Okay, entire week.
Excuse me,
So that
ma'am.
is all about Friday worksheet. Yes.
Uh, in that Friday worksheet, there was big to small and small to big numbers, but you have not teach yet.
Exactly, but you already know that, so you all can have revision of that.
Okay.
Hmm. Okay, so we went done. Can we do next page?
Ma'am, I written wrong.
What happened?
I written wrong.
कौन सा रॉन्ग किया आपने? Correct it. Don't worry. Correct it. You just have to count and do it.
75 number page.
Children, on page number 75, what we have to do, you just have to write the number. Okay. This is group of 10 is equal to 10. You just have to copy. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
You just say it aloud and write the number. Say it aloud, write the number. Say it aloud, write the number. Okay. Like this. Here we have group of 10 is equal to 10. Group of 10, 110 is equal to 10. 110 is equal to 10. Okay. So that you have to finish whole table like this. बोल के आपको लिखना है 110 is equal to number 10. 110 is equal to 10. ओके ऐसे बोलते बोलते आपको पूरा टेबल 10 10 10 10 10 10 लिखना है. Okay, and do it carefully for all the numbers, because if you will just copy it, you will not get it ones and tens. Okay, the same way
And page
what you
number.
will do, I will not tell you. Pay attention. I will not tell you. Sorry. Same way, the second one is 110 11. 110 11 makes 11. 110 11 makes 11. 110 11
मैं
makes 11.
45 डन. अभी कुछ लिखना है 45 के बाद. मैम क्या
45?
करना है?
We are doing 75.
Yes, मैं 75 pages done. मैम 75 down.
Children, you just do page number 75, 75 because time is up. So rest of the things we will do later on. Okay?
How to do 75? Ma'am, my 75 pin number is done.
Wait, everyone. Okay, Vivan, what we have to do, you just have to say aloud. Okay, 110 is equal to 10 and write number 10 in the box given. आपको ऐसे ही पूरा बॉक्स फील करना है. ओके, यू हैव टू फील ऑल द बॉक्सेस लाइक दिस ओनली. ओके, इन 11 ऑल्सो 110 11 मेक्स 11.
10 10 लिख के.
हाँ, कॉपी ही करना है बस बोल के. सो आपको वो मेमोराइज हो जाएगा कि 110 10 होता है, 110 1 1 1 11 होता है, 110 2 1s 12 होता है, लाइक दैट. ओके, only page number 75. Rest of the things we will do tomorrow. Okay, so those children who have completed, they can have they can have their break. Okay, bye bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a good day. Bye, ma'am. Have a good day.